Welcome or welcome back to We Rock Math with Miss Catherine, where math videos are made easy and faster for you. Today's topic is on multiplying two fractions. If you haven't watched the instructional video on multiplying whole numbers with fractions, you should do so. Multiplying whole numbers with fractions is similar to multiplying two fractions, so just click the link in the upper right corner so you can get even more practice. Let's get into these four examples here. We have our steps listed here in case we need it as a refresher. Looking at number 1, we have 2/4 times 6/8. First step, we're going to simplify the fraction. Since we can, 2/4 can be simplified to 1/2. 6/8 can be simplified to 3/4. So then we just multiply this fraction with this fraction. So it would be 1/2 times 3/4. Now we multiply the numerators. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. And we can't simplify it any further, so 3/8 is our final answer. Moving on to number 2, we have 14/16 times 17/22. We're going to simplify the fraction. If you simplify 14/16, we're going to find the greatest common factor between these two numbers, which is going to be 2. So you divide top and bottom by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then we have 7/8 times 17/22. Now we just multiply across. 17 times 7. Let's do it over here. Seven times 7 is 49. Carry the 4. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 4 is 11. So we have 119 for the numerator. Denominator, we're going to multiply straight across. 22 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So our denominator is 176. Our final answer is 119/176. Moving on to number 3. We have 7/11 times 12/15. We can simplify the second fraction. (12/15). You can divide top and bottom by 3. So then we have 7/11 times 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now we just multiply the numerators across. 7 times 4 is 28. 11 times 5 is 55. And that is our final answer, 28/55. Looking at the very last example, we have 20/30 times 24/36. So whenever you see two numbers that have zeros at the end, and they have the same amount of zeros, like this 20 and the 30, you can cross the zeros off. So instead of the two zeros at the end, you just have the 2/3 and cross it off. And we can simplify this fraction. Let's just rewrite this. We can divide the top and bottom by the greatest common factor, which will be 12. And we have 2/3 times 24 divided by 12 is 2. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Multiply straight across. First multiply the numerators. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. So our final answer is 4/9. As you can see, this instructional video was very similar to the previous one, where we had multiply whole numbers with fractions. So hopefully this video gave you even more practice and even better understanding of how to multiply fractions in different cases. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you thought this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until then, keep rocking at math, and I'll see you next time. Thanks everyone.